everybody, and welcome to another Mike's Portraits guitar tutorial. Today we're going to be learning a quite advanced riff by Guns N' Roses from Mr. Brownstone. What a great song that is. Right, and so we're going to get straight into it. Oh, by the way, if you like my tutorials, don't forget to click the subscribe or like button on YouTube or Facebook, follow my page, and there'll be more videos coming out as much as I can do. Right then, so standard tuning. Actually, no, that's a lie. No, it's Guns N' Roses. It's not standard tuning. It's always half a step down, but this is in standard tuning today. So if you do want to learn this song and you want to play along with Guns N' Roses, then you will have to tune your guitar half a step down. Yeah, we all like to sit there and play along with our favourite songs. Unfortunately, with Guns N' Roses, you've got to tune your guitar a bit differently. It's only half a step down. All the strings are relatively exactly the same. Just yeah. So yeah, it's not standard tuning, but this is standard tuning. Okay. So here we go. Right. So open E. That's the first bit. Open E. Third fret. Fourth fret. Then second on the A. So it's probably best to use this finger on the third, that finger on the fourth, then this finger on the second on the A string. It's played very fast, so efficiency of using your fingers efficiently in this riff is paramount, otherwise you just won't get it. Now if you're fast enough to do so, you could probably add a bend or vibrato in there. If, like I said, it's a fast riff, so if you're good enough to do that, do that. If not, don't worry about it, it'll come eventually. Third, fourth, second. Third, fourth, A2. Right then. So you've just gone up the frets on the E string. And you've gone to the A string on the second. Now you're going to go down the frets. So you're going to go 4, 3, open, then play an E minor chord. Now, like I said, it's a fast one. That is not a good way to play an E minor. A lot of people will probably frown upon that, but it is a fast riff. So if you can pull off an E minor shape, and you're fast enough to do that, then fair play. You're a better guitar player than me. That's no problem. So 4 on the E, 3, open, E minor. So after the E minor, you're gonna go back up the frets on the E again. And once again, it's probably best to use these two fingers because you're gonna be quickly then doing an A chord. Once again, that's not textbook. That's not a textbook way to do an A chord either. It's just the speed of the riff. So really slow. That's pretty fast. Then we've got to do some power chords. So, up on the 5th fret on the A string and the D string on the 7th fret. That's a power chord there. You're going to do that. Then you're going to move down one. Then you've got to move down to the 2nd fret, still power chord. Then you're going to move up a string and go to the 3rd fret, still power chord. So you're not actually going to do the 3rd fret power chord straight away. You're going to pluck them open first. Oops. So 5th, 4th, 2nd, open, 3rd, open. That sounded a bit messy, by the way, I do apologise. Then you're gonna go down the strings, a lot of pull-offs on this. So, it's gonna start, this, I love this bit, this is so cool, this is, I'm not the best guitarist in the world, this is by far the coolest thing I've ever learned. So, you're going to start off on the 3rd fret on the B string, and you're going to pull off to the 2nd, then pull off to open. Then you're going to go to the G string, next string up, give it a bit of vibrato, pull off, the D string, pull off, the A string, pull off, then 3rd on the E string, then play an E minor. So once again, really slow. On the B, B3, B2, B open, G2, vibrato, pull off, D2, pull off, A2, pull off, E3, E minor chord. And for some reason I'm plucking a wrong stringer. And as you can see, as you know, I get it perfect every now and again. I don't get it perfect every now and again, and that's just because you need to just keep on practicing it and practicing it. And in fairness, that is a pretty cool thing to keep on practicing. I mean, you have friends come around your house and you pull off that little thing there, that little lick, riff, whatever you want to call it. People are going to go, yeah, man, that guy can play guitar. Right, so all together. that, just keep on going through it. It's a cracking thing to play. Like I said, if you listen to Slash play it in the song, the tempo on it is really, really quick. So in riffs like that, a lot of textbook stuff goes out the window, unfortunately, because you just can't move your hands fast enough. And if you can, then I salute you. I take my hat off to you, and you're my hero. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this helped. Keep learning stuff in this lockdown. This lockdown's boring. There's nothing else to do, so you might as well learn guitar. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to my page. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe and rock on.